A very good afternoon, everyone. I am Harshita Natkar, and I'm presenting this game with my partner Noor. And the name of the group is Marvelous Minion. So, this is our game. So, the name of our game is M&M, Move Your Mind. And we are taking the concept from this game. We are taking the concept of CVC words, blends, digraph, and etc. We can use other concept like sight words also for this game. The age for this game, the age which we are taking, so this is appropriate for the age group of 4 to 7, and our main motive of this game is to ensure that child is able to recognize, decode, and read. We are enhancing their skills like listening skills, comprehension skills, problem solving skills, gross motor development, and cognitive development. So this is the cost friendly game, as we are using all the materials which are easily available in our school from literacy kit. So the material which we are using for this game are flashcards of CVC words, blends, short vowel letter cards, and the consonant letter cards. So these are easily available these all materials are easily available in our literacy kit. Okay, so over to you, Normi. She will explain you the further details of this game.
So the rules we'll follow for this game are: at any point of the game, the child will not prompt the word to his partner. Basically, this game is about decoding. The child will start with level 1 for every new game. For every new level, the child will start with level 1. It is a time-based task, and the child will win the star only if he crosses the level within time. The teacher will give him chance to complete the task, but if he completes within time, then only he will get a star. This game will check not only the accuracy, but the efficiency of the child and the phonemic awareness. Now, there are 3 levels in this game. The first level is to make the word. The next level is identify the sentence having that word. The next level is, for the first level, they will get a star if they complete level 1, both the levels. In level 1, if they complete both the levels, they will get a star. The next second level, again they will make a word and make 3 similar words after finishing the cross. It's like a relay. This game is like a relay. So when they will complete making the word, then they have to make 3 similar words. For example, they have got the word bat here. So if they make more words similar to bat, like hat, fat, rat, so they can get another star. The next level is make sentence. So in level 2, there are 3 sub-levels. Make a word, make similar words, and then make a sentence using any of these words which they had made. Next level is level 3. In level 3, they will again make a word, find out what is the rhyming word for bat. Then make sentence using bat and the rhyming word which they have thought. So these are 3 levels in our game. Now, how this game will work offline? So this game is offline game which we will play during school time, and it will be played in the playground. Okay. So the first child, the teacher will give him a first child will listen to the first. Suppose teacher gave him a word belt. So the child will listen to the word. He'll jump to the second partner and he will decode the word belt. He will not say the word belt. He will just decode the word belt. Belt. The next partner, the second partner, will again jump and go to the vowels. He will pick up the correct vowel in belt. He'll pick up E, and he'll again jump and go to the third partner. He will pass letter E, and then he will give again the word. Again, the third partner will jump and collect all the consonant in this word and then give it to the fourth partner. The fourth partner, again the fourth partner will, the third partner will only say B, E, L, and the fourth partner has to assemble B, E, L, T, belt. So finally this game is over. This way the child will make the word belt. He will arrange the word belt and the time will be up. If the child completes this task, now randomly there will be 4 other groups doing the same task. So if the child completes the task first or second, so they will be going to the next level. The next level will be, teacher will show him some flashcards and all four of them will find out the word belt in a sentence and they will cross the level. If they give the correct answer within 10 seconds, they will win the level and they'll get a star. So this is our, thank you ma'am.